Welcome back to CapCut beginner classes. Today will be the third class of this series. Today's topic is short but crucial, as it will help you improve your editing. First of all, let's import our files to start editing. If you want these files, you will get their links in the description. Let's add both the clips to our timeline. I will slow down this animation because I made it a little too fast. Let's preview it. Looks fine to me. Now let's start talking about blending. First of all, we have default. What does it do? Nothing, because it is default. You can also control the opacity of your clip from here. So the first option we have here is brighten. It reduces the dark pixels on your screen and enhances the bright pixels. So it looks something like this. Next one we have is screen. It is similar to brighten, but it does not enhance the bright pixels. It only removes the dark pixels. Next we have darken. It is opposite of brighten. It removes the bright pixels and enhances the dark pixels. It looks something like this. Next we have overlay. It uses the dark pixels of your video to darken the video below it, and bright pixels to brighten the video below it, which makes it look like this. Next we have hard light. It is similar to the darken, but it doesn't work as effectively on brighter colors. As I used white, you see no changes. Next up we have soft light. This is similar to the overlay mode, but it has a softer effect. Next up we have color burn. This is similar to the hard light mode, but it has more contrast in its colors. Here I used white, so you won't see much of a difference. Next one we have is linear burn. It is almost the same thing as color burn, so use either of these depending upon your clips. Next up we have color dodge. It is similar to brighten, but it provides a much brighter effect. Let's preview it. Finally we have multiply. It is similar to darken but with a darker effect. Let's preview it. With that, we have seen all the blend modes. Now let's add a little effects to it to spice things up. First I will use the screen blend mode. Now I will add an effect to it. Let's add the edge glow effect. I will increase the glow to make it look better. Now let's find a glitch effect. I like this fuzzy one. I will apply it to the clip. Let's preview it. Our next class will be about basic keyframing, so let me show you a little trick. You see this diamond right here? This is called a keyframe. I will apply a keyframe at the end of this clip and another keyframe a few seconds before it. I will leave the first keyframe as it is, then reduce the opacity to 0 on the last keyframe. Then it will give a fade out effect like this.
That's it for today's video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.